Welcome to FX Algos. As user starts racing, he gets to know the number of racer, race time, progressive indications and real-time suggestions. The interactivity is learned through gestures and tilting of the tablet, thus indicating the driving direction for the car. Along the journey, there would be suggestions of alternate routes that would be akin to changing the trade type to get maximum returns. To arrive at the finishing line, by giving real-time suggestions, looking at the current market movements, at the end of the game, it will show total summary of the deal.